Okay, this is Jason Cummins, and today we're going to be breaking cars and worms. And by worms we mean, yeah, we already broke the truck basically, and we broke the worm a little bit. So, see, look, there's the battery from the truck, and that's the truck so far.
$50 truck.
$50 truck broken.
Here's the wheel.
There's the wheel. Let's throw it back, Hunter. Throw it. Alright, here we go.
We should not even try making it. We're just let it out.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, watch out. Like that.
My turn. It's my turn.
Alright, here we go.
Worm. Oh! He broke the freaking handle.
Ready? Watch out!
Here you go. You look left. I think it's broken enough. Yeah. Yeah, no more truck.
Okay.
Okay. So, that's it for now, and so we feel bad for the truck.